Hi guys, it's Miss Renee, Salem Public Library, and it's time for our preschool science and sensory program. I am outside because we need some outdoor materials for tonight's project. I have two different projects for us, and I'm trying to figure out the best way to do this. Okay, for starters, we are going to be gathering some materials outside, things like leaves and flower petals and sticks and that sort of thing. But big reminder to always be respectful. Don't pick flowers that belong to somebody else. Make sure you check with your grown-ups before you start picking flowers. In fact, in my hand I have, you can see it, I have a marigold. I did not pick it. It actually had already fallen off, so I picked it up. So that sort of thing is fine. Especially don't pick things out of your neighbors' yards because they might not like that. So just, be respectful, be nice. So I'm looking at right over here. I'm turning the phone around. Turn around. Look at that beautiful flower bed across the street at the Elks. But those aren't mine, so I can't pick any of those flowers. I do have two projects for us this evening. And I'm going to try to do them pretty quickly here just so I can show you guys what we're doing and you can get outside and do this one on your own. It is very hot out, so make sure you drink water, put your sunscreen on, be safe while you're doing this. I'm probably going to carry it inside for part of this. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is gather 7 or 8 round leaves. And I'm going to go sit down. Still outside. I'm taking you guys with me. I'm going to kind of sit right on the front steps of the library. Okay. All right, now, let's see, I've got some leaves, nice round leaves. So that's one of the first things you want to gather. And I might, well, actually, I think we can do it right here. Out of your kit, you need your little glue bottle. You're also going to need your little roll tape and a Google Eye. I don't know if you guys have paper left. Any type of paper, cardboard, anything that you can glue some leaves onto. It's going to work for this one. Save your colored paper for next week. Next week you are also going to need a toilet paper roll. So make sure you save a roll of toilet paper this week. You don't need the paper on it, just the actual roll. Alright, so I've got my round leaves. I'm going to try to show you guys what I'm doing here. Alright, I'm going to put some glue on my leaves. We gotta use muscles. Squeeze really hard on these ones. Alright, so I put a leaf there. We are using our leaves. I'm putting some glue on paper there. Hopefully you guys can see this. You guys need to go up like this. A pretty big leaf. So we're making a bunny. So this is my bunny's body. And here's his head, which is almost as big as his body. I might need more glue than I just used. And then I'm going to glue some leaves up here for his ears. So he's a little bit smaller leaves. Now I picked wild plantains because they were nice round leaves. But any kind of round leaves you find are fine. So now my bunny has ears. Spread sleeves like straight up. And I've got some little ones. I'm not going to glue them on right now, but glue his feet. And a little one out here for his tail. Then you can glue your googly eye on. And you have a little leaf bunny. Alright, so that's one of our projects. Hopefully you'll take a little more time with it than I did. I was just trying to get it done. Alright, now for our nature walk. Hopefully you picked up your leaves. I'll set them from right there. Okay, that'll work. Alright, get your little roll of masking tape out. If you have bigger masking tape at home and you want to use it, that would be fine. I'm going to peel out. Grown-ups, we are definitely going to need some help with this one. Okay, and we're going to put around our wrist like a bracelet, and we want the sticky side out. So this is where grown-ups are probably going to need to help us. Right now I'm just going to leave mine just single-sided, or single width. If you want a really big bracelet, your grown-ups can maybe help you make it wider. Just put more strips, just stack them all up next to each other, and then you're going to go for a walk. So let's go for a little walk. I already found that little marigold. So what I'm going to do is I am going to take, let me show you. I took a petal off my marigold and I'm going to stick it right onto my tape bracelet. I'm going to put a couple more on there. So that bright orange, that is going to be really nice. Alright, I'm going to leave my bunny and my tape and my glue sit here, and we're going to go for just a little bit of a walk. Like I said, don't pick things that don't belong to you. Make sure it's okay with your grown-ups what you're picking. And we are going to cover our tape bracelet with things we find in nature. This is a beautiful time of year to do this because it's nice outside. We can get out where it's warm. Oh, I see a little purple hosta. So I'm going to stick it on my bracelet. What else can I find? I'm just wandering around just outside the library. Here's some more hosta petals. Oh, I dropped it. So these bracelets, they're not going to be long term. They're not going to last. That's okay. We're just making them for fun and for the experience. We have this beautiful hydrangea. It doesn't look like it has any petals that have dropped. So I'm not going to take any from it because I don't want to pull apart plants that are doing well. We have a very good landscaping company. It keeps us very neat and tidy. But I'm going to cross over here, over to the memorial building, because they have some rose bushes. Now, I'm not actually going to take any of the petals off the roses, but I'm just looking on the ground to see if any have dropped that I can add to my bracelet. Okay, so now I have a pink rose petal. Okay. So this is what you're going to do. You're going to walk around outside, look for some interesting leaves or flower petals or anything like that. They got to be little because they're going on your bracelet, but you can just stick them right on your wrist. If you made your bracelet wide, you're going to be able to hold a little more than I can. I'm just looking for different things. Right. All right, well, I don't want to go too much longer. So I'm going to wrap things up. But those are our activities for tonight. So you're going to make your bunny out of leaves. And your nature bracelets. You can see mine. Mine's not completely full yet. I'll have to look for some more things to add to it. But I would love to see yours when you get them finished. So take a picture or send me a video of collecting your items for your nature bracelet. Spend some time outside, get some fresh air and some sunshine. Don't forget your sunblock. And I will see you guys next week. Remember to save a toilet paper roll, and we will make a dragon with them next week. I'll see you guys then. Thanks. Bye.